The last part here that's important is to do with permalinks. And permalinks is about the structure of the addresses in the URL. WordPress installation comes as with the default, and if we were to leave it as the default, I'm going to save the changes and then you can have a look at actually how it does look. And I just click on that and have a look at the, oops, we're on the home page, so that doesn't do anything. But if I click on my contact page, which I had added, or your About Us page, and we have a look at the address bar, you see that we have the domain name, and then after the / we have a question mark, page _ID = 8. And when you publish a page or a post, then the WordPress automatically gives the page or post a particular page ID. Let's have a look at this one. Click on that one. Alright, this one is page ID or post is 1, P = 1. So that's pretty ugly actually. That's a pretty terrible structure. So what I do want is a custom structure, and it's going to use the following structure here, which is a /, no space there by the way, / a %, then type in post name, another %, and then another /. Now if you're not sure about how to do that, then you can click on one of these other ones and it automatically comes up, and then just remove everything that's before that /, and we've got the checkbox or the radio button is on the custom structure, and we've got the desired structure of our what they call permalink. We're going to save that, and that's how we want it to be. That's gobbledygook here, but if we go back to our page and we click on the Contact Us link in the menu and have a look. Sorry, I had an alarm set there. Have a look at the Contact Us is now shown instead of the page ID blah blah. So this is a lot more user-friendly, and it's a lot more search engine friendly. So you definitely want to be using that structure as your permalink structure. The home page, your front page always has nothing. It's just the domain name. If we click on this post and have a look at that, its title is welcome. The folder that's been created for that page is welcome. It doesn't even have to have .html or .php. One of the really good things about WordPress is that it names your pages for you according to what you've put as the title of your page. Now remember, we just saw the welcome page. This is a post, and here's the information I typed in. But you have a permalink for that, which is usually automatically set, but notice it doesn't have the exclamation mark. I can edit this. I can edit that particular link which represents the page. Click OK. It's still titled, or its heading is still welcome. I changed this permalink just to show you. And whenever we make a change to a page or a post, we need to go to update or publish that page. So we click on that on the right hand side under publish, under this top section here, and then we switch back to view the page. I'll click on the welcome link. Same page, nothing's changed there, but if I go to the address bar, I've changed the name of the folder. So WordPress does this automatically, and you don't have to worry about naming your pages. The only thing I advise is that you don't use a really long, ugly looking link. If you create a post, let's do that. Under posts. Okay, so now I'm onto the section of I'll be showing you how to create a post. At the very top in your dashboard, you've got posts, which listed all the existing posts. And if you were to click on the title of the post or click on edit, it would take you to the particular post. You've got the heading and you've got the edit area here. To add a new post, go here, and if I was to write a long title, add a new post in this website, and then it auto-saves. WordPress also auto-saves. But if I wanted to publish that, I need to write new stuff in here. Of course, I need to be able to type into the edit area. But once I add content into the edit area, I would either be saving that as a draft, or I would publish that. Obviously, save draft is what you would use while you're adding content to your page, and you're the only one who would see it. If you need to view what that actually looks like, you can go to the link at the top, preview post. I right click to make sure it opens in a new tab, open link in a new tab, and it opens up here, and no it's not, it's right there. And here is where I added I called it add a new post, which I just typed. In the address bar, oh, it's only preview. But you can see that the permalink is awfully long. You can see how it's come out there if you just rely on using the title. So the idea is that you keep it brief. Alright, so we can call that whatever we like or go with whatever is auto-saved. So I might just call this page. We click OK. Save the draft. Go to your tab. We need to keep on refreshing these pages. And you'll notice here the title is now brief, but also the, sorry, that's a preview, so it won't show up just yet. And I just added this information here. I just typed that into the edit area in your add post area. I'm just going to give you a little hint here, a little tip. In this edit box, you'll notice right down on the right side corner in grey, when you mouse over it, it changes to an arrow. And what I'd like you to do is to left mouse click on that and drag it down. You can drag it to open up a much bigger edit area. This allows us to have much more space and we can see much more of the screen. Now, for me, it's not such a big issue because I have a large screen, but if you're working on a laptop or a smaller screen, you want to be able to see as much as you can here. Now, if I was to publish that as it is, I would go across to the section on the right and click on Publish. If we then look at, we can get rid of this one and go to the front page. Now, you always need to refresh your website for anything to appear, but you'll notice under the posts, it has now added a new menu item, whatever your title was, and here you go, there's the page is published. Now if we look in the address bar, it's correctly displayed that as that we edited here. That's how you create a page. You can do a lot more in the next lesson. We'll be focusing on adding pages, and I'll be showing you about adding graphics, and we'll be adding some links as well. So I think that's just about it for this session, and thanks for your attention. See you next time.